Hi, welcome to this session. Today we will discuss about the data representation in digital electronics. In digital electronics, data can be represented in magnitude representation and complement representation. One is magnitude representation, magnitude representation, and second one is complement representation. In magnitude representation, we can represent data as signed representation, signed magnitude representation, and unsigned magnitude representation. First of all, we discuss about unsigned magnitude representation. Unsigned magnitude representation. In unsigned magnitude representation, the name already explained that unsigned that means there is no sign used for the number. The no sign used for the number, by default, what is this? The number will be positive number. No sign required to represent a number means the number by default is a positive number. So there is no requirement of signed bit to express that number. So the unsigned number is only used for representation of positive number. Unsigned bit number is only used for representation of positive number. So there is no requirement of signed bit. The bit is only required for the total number of bits used for magnitude only. There is no bit is used for the signed bit, whether it is positive or negative. By default, unsigned magnitude representation is used for positive number. The total number of bits are used for the magnitude only. Now, in unsigned bit representation, if a binary number given 101, what it represented? It represent whole bit is represent for the magnitude. Thus, it is a represent plus 5, or by default it is 5. Similarly, 001, what it represent? It represent 1 plus 1, or by default it is 1. These are the unsigned magnitude representation. Let's say another example, 111. In 111 case, whole the bit 3 bits express the magnitude, so it represent plus 7. By default it represent 7. In case of unsigned magnitude representation, we can represent the bit number from 0. Unsigned magnitude representation, we can use for n bit of numbers, we can use from 0 to 2 to the power n minus 1. 0 to 2. Let's say n equal to 2. For n equal to 2, for 2 bit representation, we can represent the number from 0 to 2 to the power 2 minus 1. That is 0 to 3. We can represent 0 to 3 for 2 bit representation. These are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. These are the 4 0 to 3 representation for unsigned magnitude representation, when the number of bit is used for 2 bit is used for to represent a number. the maximum number used can be used, that is 0 to 3. Now we will go for magnitude, signed magnitude representation. Signed magnitude representation. Signed magnitude representation. Signed magnitude representation is used for representing both positive and negative number. Signed magnitude representation is used for both positive and negative representation. In this, positive number are represented as a normal binary number. Positive number used as normal binary representation with MSB bit equal to 0. Extra MSB bit is added to a signed bit. For positive number, extra MSB bit added to the signed number, main number, that is 0. For negative number, the MSB bit will be 1. Now for example, for 0 0 4 0 0 0, for signed bit representation, if a signed bit magnitude representation, this number expressed plus 0. Similarly, the 0 1 1 1, this represented the plus 7 bit because the MSB bit is 0. For in case of 1 1 1 1, for number 1, here the MSB bit is 1, so it represents minus 7. Here the rest of the bit after 1, the rest of the 3 bit is used for magnitude, and the 1 bit is used for the negative sign, the signed bit. The 1 is used for signed bit representation. Similarly, here 0 is used for signed representation, and rest, this bit is used for magnitude representation. Rest is used to express the magnitude, and the MSB bit used for signed representation. In case of signed bit representation, we can, for n bit of number of bits, we can express minus 2 to the power n minus 1 to plus 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 1. This is the range of number we can represent for a signed bit representation. For example, n equal to 3, we can 3 bit representation, we can represent minus 2 to the power 2 minus 1 to plus 2 to the power 2 minus 1, that is 3 minus 3 to plus 3. Minus 3 to plus 3 we can represent for 3 bit representation, because 1 bit is used for the magnitude representation. For the 1 bit single MSB bit, 1 bit used for the sign bit representation, sign of the magnitude, and rest bit express the magnitude of that number. Now we will go for the complement representation. Complement representation. In case of complement representation, there are two types of complement representation. First is 1s complement representation, and second one is 2s complement representation. 1s complement representation and second one is the 2s complement representation. Now we will go for the discussion, detailed discuss about the 1s complement representation. In case of 1s complement representation is used for both positive and negative representation. In this, positive numbers are represented with a normal binary with MSB 0. It is used for both positive and negative number representation. Positive number with normal binary representation with MSB bit as a 0, and negative number is the 1s complement of the positive representation. Now for example, we need to represent -7 as a 1s complement representation. 1s complement representation. How we can do? Step 1. First represent +7 as a normal binary or unsigned or signed binary number. For signed binary number is +7, here the signed is plus sign, so we will use 0 as a MSB bit. Then rest is 7. 7 can be represented as a normal in a binary word 111. So now we will convert the 1s complement of this number. 1s complement of this number. The 1s complement of this number will be how much? 0 will be 1, 0, 0, 0. This is the 1s complement representation of -7. -7, if we use 1s complement method to represent -7, then the digital representation of -7 is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0. Here 1 and 0 0. This is the -7 magnitude representation of 1s complement. Now for example, represent 1s complement representation of +7. How will represent the minus complement of +7? The 1s complement of +7. The 1s complement is nothing but the binary representation with the MSB bit 0. So plus a 0 in the MSB bit and rest the magnitude expressed into binary. This is the binary representation +7 binary representation of 1s complement as normal. Now we will go for the limit up to which we can express the 1s complement. In 1s complement representation, let's say 0 0 0 4 bit 0 express. Similarly, the 0 1 1 1 represent +7 and 1 0 0 1 that is represent the -6. 1 0 0 0 represent -7 up to 1 1 1 1, this represent the -0. So in case of 1s complement, we can apply for n bit 1s complement representation. The maximum limit of -n is 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 1 number 2 plus 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 1. This is the limit, this is the range up to which we can use for the 1s complement method for n bit representation. For example, for n equal to 3, the representation will be range of representation with 3 minus 1 to 2 plus 2 to the power 3 minus 1 minus 1, that is equal to, that is 2 to the power 2, that is 4 minus 1, that is 3 minus 3 2 plus 3 number can be used for n equal to 3 bit representation. Now we will go for the 2s complement representation. 2s complement representation. As usual, 2s complement is used for both positive and negative number. It is used as usual for positive number. The MSB bit for positive number representation, the MSB bit will be 0 and rest is as normal as give. Let's say plus 7 is expressed as a 2s complement. In 2s complement method, the plus 7 will be 0, 1, 1, 1. This is the as normal it is. For every positive number, we can express similarly as previous one. For negative number representation, we have to convert the binary, the positive number to 2s complement. 2s, take the 2s complement of the positive number signed positive number signed representation. Positive number signed representation. Example, let's say example we represent to minus 7. How? 2s complement representation of minus 7. Step 1, first represent plus 7 as a signed magnitude. For signed magnitude representation, plus 7 can be represented as MSP 0 and rest bit will be for the magnitude of 7. This one. Now convert the 2s complement, take the 2s complement of this one. How is the 2s complement of this? The 1 will be 1, 0, 0, 0. First take 1s complement, 1s complement. First take the 1s complement, then take add 1 to this, that will be 2s complement of this number. Then the result will be 1, 0, 0, 1. So this one is the 2s complement representation of minus 7. This one is the 2s complement representation of minus 7. Now we will go for the detail. For the 2s complement representation, we first step 1 we have to convert the positive number, then it go for the 2s complement of that positive signed representation number. Now for the reverse conversion. Reverse. For 1s complement reverse, we have to just do the reverse of the 1s complement. For minus 7 representation of 1s complement method, we represent 1, 0, 0, 0 is the 1s complement. For 1s complement representation, the minus 7 value is 1, 0, 0, 0. For back representation to the decimal number, we have to just convert the 1s representation. 1s will be 0, 1, 1, 1. So the 1 represent back representative means minus 1. Now 2s complement 2s complement presentation range. Range of the 2s complement representation. The range of the 2s complement representation can be calculate, that is 0, 0, 0, 0, what it will represent, plus 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 represent plus 1, 0, 1, 1, 1 represent plus 7, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. What it represent? That is represent minus 8. How? Now we have to go for the reverse conversion. For reverse conversion of the 2s complement, we will take minus sign and take a 1s complement of this. 1s complement of this one will be 1, 1, 1. Add a plus 1, that will gives 1, 0, 0, 0 minus 1, 0, 0, that is equal to minus 8. So for one that is give the minus 8. Now for the last bit, that is 1, 1, 1, 1, 2s complement, it represented minus 1. How? You go for the reverse expression, take here minus MSB bit is 1, so take a minus sign, then rest convert the 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, that is equal to minus 1. Now the reverse conversion. So For 2s complement representation, the range is minus 2 to the power n minus 1 to plus 2 to the power n minus 1 minus 1. For 2 bit